Practice like you have never won. Perform like you have never lost. Abiding to this saying is our chief guest of the day, Padma Shri P.V. Sindhu, the badminton silver medalist in Rio Olympics, second rank holder in the Badminton World Federation ranking. She started her saga in badminton when she was only 8 years old. However, her relentless pursuit to perfect the sport made her soon achieve 5th rank in Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. Her unrelenting spirit turned the tide of victory on her side, and she marched ahead to achieve immaculate victories therein. This made her the recipient of the prestigious Padma Shri Award from the Government of India in March 2015. Ms. Sindhu's golden run began with a silver medal in women's singles at the 2016 South Asian Games. She was catapulted into stardom and became the darling of the nation when she exhibited her never say die spirit in the finals of the Rio Olympics 2016 badminton clash, in which she clinched the silver medal. This match will definitely be remembered in the times to come. Ma'am, we now request you to inspire the gathering by your words and experiences.
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, my dear students, parents, and guests, it's a great honor to be here today, and I'm really very happy that, sir, thank you for inviting me, and I've never seen such a beautiful campus. And also for the first time, they've also had the CBSE National Tournament Tennis. And I hope there will be many more tournaments conducting here. And the accommodation, the stay, and the food that you've been giving. Normally, when we used to play, we never got this type of, accommodation or whatever. We always used to travel. We used to go to the hotel and come back. But I think you know what it is, from the players' aspect, their pain or whatever, the struggle, the hard work that they do. And you have made them so comfortable that in your campus, you've given them the stay, the food, and the accommodation. I think we all have to be thankful to you. And the students over here, I would like to just say one thing. I think hard work is the key for success, whether if it's in sports or studies. And one more thing is that parents' support is the most important thing. I think for me, my parents' support was always there. And I hope that, even your parents and your teachers, because, for me, my guru also played a very important role, my coach. I think for you all, your teachers play a very important role. They put in their full efforts. So I wish that even you give your 100% and work hard and be disciplined and do your work, and automatically you will get success in your life. And I wish you all the very best. And once again, I would like to thank you all for inviting me. And thank you so much. Seeing you all reminds me that when I was in school days, when there were people coming and giving speeches, I used to be very inspired. But, taking me as an inspiration, and I think for me, you all, your support and your prayers means a lot, and I hope that I will achieve a lot more in my life and get many more laurels to the country as well. And I myself, I hope that there are many stars, sir. It's not a small village or something, but I've seen many talented kids here, and I hope definitely in one or the other sports and also in studies, definitely they will excel. And I once again wish all the very best.